This is Max and his family. His parents Mark and Lucy, his sister Kelly, and their pet dog Rex. They live in a beautiful new house. It's number 1. Grandma Mary and Grandpa Peter are here too. They are with presents. Max wants to show his grandparents the new house. There is a hall in the house. There is a big and comfortable living room. This is a kitchen. This is a bedroom. Max plays and sleeps in the bedroom. This is a bathroom. There is a big white bath there. There is a wonderful garden next to the house too. Look, a lot of flowers are blooming in the garden now. But where is Rex? Is he in the garden? No, he isn't. Is he on the sofa? No, he isn't. Is he under the table? No, he isn't. Is he next to the armchair? No, he isn't. Is he behind the armchair? No, he isn't. He is in front of the TV in the living room. He is watching a film. If you want to say or ask where someone is, use the verb to be in the present simple. I am. He, she, it is. We, you, they are. Also use the prepositions of place. In, on, next to, behind, in front of, under. The cat is under the table. You can see the letter U in the preposition under. Read it under, sun, mum, funny, rubber, bird, computer, blue, music, cute, student. So, you can talk about rooms in a house. Read the letter U in the words. Also, you can talk about location. Well, now please answer. Where are you and your family members?